So welcome students. In previous class we are talking about the application of dimension analysis. In this lecture we will talking an important part, that is the significant figure. In many numerical problems, in many measurement, we need to find out significant figure. Okay. So at first we have to find out the definition of significant figure. Then there are some rules for finding the significant figure. Then we have to take some example. Okay. So first of all, what is significant figure? Significant figure, that means all accurate digits plus first doubtful digit. I think it not clear to you. So let's take one example. Suppose there are some students doing some physics experiment for evaluating the time period of simple pendulum. First student says the time period of simple pendulum, suppose 2.63 second. Second one, measure the value, that is 2.65 second. Third one, that is 2.62 second. Similarly, fourth one, that is 2.64 second. Okay. So just check for every measurement 2.6 is the common value, common digit. So we can say that here 2.6 digits represent accurate digit. And just check for first measurement, this one is 3, this one is 5, this one is 4, and this one is 2, and this one is 4. For the third digits for every measurement are varying. So it depends upon person to person measurement. So we can say that 3, 5, 2, 4 all are the doubtful digit. Clear? So 2.6 is the accurate digit, and for first case 3 is the doubtful digit. 2.6 plus 3, that is the first doubtful digit. Then 2.63 total represent the significant figure. All accurate digit, that is 2.6, and first doubtful digit, that is 3 for first measurement. For second measurement, the doubtful digit is 5. So this one will be 2.65. Then what is the value of significant figure here? 1, 2, 3. So here significant figure is 3. What is the value of here? 1, 2, 3. So this one is also 3. Clear? So what is significant figure? Significant figure represent all accurate digits plus first doubtful digit. Okay. So students, therefore to find out significant figures, there are some rules for finding it. Okay. And these rules are very important to you. Okay. So let's take some rules. That is rules number 1. Rules number 1, that is all non-zero digits are significant. Suppose in measurement system we use decimal system we use, and the number are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All are the non-zero digits. So this is the significant digit. Clear? Suppose 2, 3, 1. What is the significant figure here? 2 non-zero, that is significant. 3 non-zero, that is also significant. 1 non-zero, that is also significant. So here significant figure is 3. Clear? That is, suppose 2.41. Significant figure will be 2 non-zero, 2 non-zero, 4 non-zero, 1 non-zero. That is significant figure is 4. This is the rule number 1. Clear? Now rule number 2. Rule number 2 is, that is all zeros between two non-zero digits are significant. Suppose 2.03. Here 2 non-zero, 3 non-zero digit, and this 0 in between 2 and 3. So this 0 will be significant. And what will be the significant figure here? Significant figure will be 2, that is non-zero, significant. This 0 is placed between 2 non-zero, that is also significant. 3 also non-zero digit, that is significant. So here significant figure is 3. Clear? Let's take another example. Suppose 2.105. 2 significant, 1 significant, 5 significant, and this 0 is placed between 2 non-zero digits, that is 1 and 5. So this 0 is also significant, and so their significant figure will be 1, 2, 3, 4. That is significant figure 4. Now let's take example rules number 3. Rules number 3, that is leading zeros. Leading zeros are never significant. Leading zero means, suppose 0.05. This 0.05 starting 0, that is a leading 0. So this 0.0 are not significant. Clear? So their significant figure only 5. So significant figure is 1. Leading 0 never significant. Mind it. Next, rule number 4. That is power of 10 never significant. Power of 10 never significant. For example, 2.21.5 into 10 to the power 6. What is the significant figure here? 2.5. That is non-zero, non-zero, non-zero. So 2, 1 and 5 significant. 1, 2, 3. And this 10 to the power 0 never significant. Mind it. So here significant figure, that is 3. 2, 1 and 5. Significant figure is 3. The power of 0, it's maybe 6, maybe 10 to the power 100, maybe 10 to the power 1000, never significant. Okay. Now rule number 5. Rule number 5, that is trailing zeros. Trailing zeros. If there is decimal, that is significant. If there is no decimal point, not decimal, that is never significant. Let's take example. Trailing zeros, that is the ending 0. Suppose 0.050. Here 0.0, that is the leading 0, and the leading 0 never significant. 5 non-zero, that is significant, and this 0, okay, mind it, this 0 is after the decimal point and the ending 0, ending 0, and which is after the decimal point is the significant. So this 0 is significant, so this is also significant. So this is not significant, 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 that is 1 and 2. Here significant figure is 2. Clear? If there is no, suppose this one 120, 1, 2, non-zero, non-zero, that is significant, and this 0, that is ending 0, but there is no decimal point. Mind it, this is ending 0, there is no decimal point. So this 0 is never significant. 1, 2, that is significant. So 1 significant, 2 significant, that is not significant. So 1, 2, significant figure is 2. Clear? So this 0, that is ending 0, but this ending 0 is significant. Why? Because this is after decimal point. And this 0, that is also ending 0, but this 0 is never significant because there is no decimal point. Okay? Now rule number 6. Rule number 6 says that is for changing units, no change of significant figure. जैसे kg to gram, meter to centimeter, there is no change of significant figure. Now rule number 7. Rule number 7, that is for fixed value. For fixed value, that is constant factor. Significant figure, infinite. For example, the value of pi is significant figure. The value of pi, that is 3.14 or 22.7, that is the fixed value. So here the significant figure of pi, that is infinite. Okay, so for constant value, that is for fixed value, fixed digit, any numerical number, that is infinite number of significant. This is all about the rules. So students, there is no need to memorize it, just observe it, digest it and practice it. It will be automatically stored in your subconscious mind. Okay, there is some tricks, just see it. So what is the summary of these rules? That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 non-zero, significant. Next question is, what about 0? 0, that trapped 0. Trapped means the zeros which is between two non-zero digit, that is significant. Next, 0 which is leading 0, that is not significant. And another one, 0 which is trailing 0, and there is two part. If there is decimal, that is significant. If there is not decimal, that is not significant. This is all about the rules of significant figure. And there is also power of 10, not significant. For changing units, there is no need of change of significant figure. And for constant value, for fixed value, the number of significant, that is infinite. Okay. Now let's take some example. Okay. For first case, check it. 5.421. 5 non-zero, 4 non-zero, 2 non-zero, 1 non-zero. So all are non-zero digit. So all are significant. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here significant figure, that is 4. Second case, 0.0. This is the leading 0, and the rule is leading 0 never significant. So this is not significant. 5 non-zero, that is significant. And this 0, ending 0, and this ending 0 is the after decimal. Here is decimal point. So this 0 is significant. So here significant figure is 2. Third, 3, that is non-zero, significant. 0 which is between 3 and 7. So this 0 is significant. 7 also significant, non-zero. And these two zeros, this is after the decimal point. So these two zeros, what? Significant or not? Obviously significant. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The significant figure is 5. Next, 4. 3 significant. Here, this 0. Ending 0, and there is decimal point. So this 0 is significant. This is significant. This is significant. And rule number 2, mind it. All zeros between two non-zero digit or between two significant digit are significant. So here 0 0 0, these 3 zeros in between 3 and 0, here 3 significant, 0 is also significant, so these 3 zeros will be also significant. So there is 1 2 3 4 5, significant figure is 5. Next 5, 1 4 0, say 1 significant, 4 significant, and this 0 ending 0, but this is not after decimal point, so this is not significant. So here significant figure is 1 2. This one, the power of 10 case, 10 to the power 5, so this is not significant. This is 3.20, 3 significant, 2 significant, and this 0, the after the decimal point, that is also significant. So this is, there is significant figure, that is 1 2 3. Next this one, 10 to the power 7, not significant, 1 significant, 6 significant, and this 0 not significant. Why not significant? Because this is the ending 0, but there is no decimal point, and the rules is ending 0 but there is no decimal point, that is not significant. So 1 and 2, the significant figure is 2. Next 8 significant, 9 significant, 6 significant, this 8 also significant, and this 0 after the decimal point, that is also significant. So 1 2 3 4 5. 5 pi, fixed value, constant value, there is a gravitational constant capital G, 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 8, or in SI system 6.67 into 10 to the minus 11. So this is also fixed value, that is an infinite number of significant. So pi is also fixed value, that is infinite. This one, leading 0 not significant, 3 1 non-zero digit, that is significant, this 0 ending 0 and after the decimal point, that is significant, and this one significant, this one significant. So this 0 will be between two significant, the zeros is also represent significant. So this 0 is also significant. So 1 2 3 4, here significant figure is 4. Okay, so আমরা কি শিখলাম? আমরা যেটা শিখলাম সেটা হচ্ছে সিগনিফিকেন্ট ফিগার। সিগনিফিকেন্ট ফিগারে কতগুলো রুলস। সিগনিফিকেন্ট ফিগার কি? সিগনিফিকেন্ট ফিগার হচ্ছে যে কতগুলো অ্যাকুরেট ডিজিট প্লাস একটা নন রিলায়েবল, যেটাকে আমরা বিশ্বাসযোগ্য মনে হচ্ছে না সেরকম একটা ডিজিট, এটা নিয়ে হচ্ছে সিগনিফিকেন্ট ফিগার। এবং সেখানে আমরা কতগুলো রুলস পড়লাম। রুলসগুলো কি কি পড়লাম? ফার্স্ট, যে কোনো নন জিরো ডিজিট সিগনিফিকেন্ট। সেকেন্ড, all zeros between two non-zero digits significant. 0, that is leading, first 0 that is significant, not significant. 0 which is end placed at end and that is after decimal, significant. 0 which is placed at end but not after decimal, that is not significant. The power of 10, not significant. And for changing units there is no need of change significant figure, and for a fixed value the significant value is infinite. So this is all about today class. Stay tuned and thank you.